Early October 2023, we caught a weather window where it was supposed to be up in the 80s during the day and upper 50s at night. So off camping we went. Coffee, mountains, and adventures. Threw a color pack in there. It's a little early. We threw a color pack in. A little blue, a little green. Nice after dinner treat. Might make some Jiffy Pop here in a bit. There's always room for popcorn. There's always room for popcorn. Good morning, good morning. Get ready to go hiking. For a little one.
Oh, my thing's flopped up.
Doing a pole steeple trail this morning. I probably haven't been up here in 20 some years. Mushies. Mushies galore on the pole's steeple hike. Don't know what it was that made them all sprout, but they were everywhere. So our friend Day Hike Dave, he'll remember this spot. Him and Bob put a prize package back here under the rocks this spring. We never made it down here to look for it. I think it's back here under that big rock. If it's still there, we're going to take a peek. But we got some people coming. Stumbleina says no to the steps. She says we're going the moderate way. I would have to agree with her this morning. My knees popped twice here today for whatever reason. It's a beautiful hike on the moderate side. You can see the face that you have to go up to take the steep side. But the moderate side is a nice big kind of switchback loop. I think it only has one switchback, but it's kind of a big loop to bring you up to the back side. So you gotta excuse the huffing and puffing, but that last little bit was pretty straight up. But I try and take you up there live action, see a little bit of this view before I start getting nervous. Well, whew. All right. You can see the right there's part of a rock outcropping, but I might be able to go a little further here. I don't know though. It makes my head swim. Maybe after I take a little break. We'll see. Pole steeple. October 4th, 2023. Beautiful hike. Kicked our butts. Made us sweat a lot. Okay.
That would really help for the next like 2 weeks until the 4 days are over and we're not sending 5 villains on a trip all week long. Yeah.
sneaky snack. Here's the campground. And this outer loop here is called the horseshoe loop. And then this little one is mule train, I think. And I'll show you. So that's it out there. That's this road is called Mule Team or Mule Train. Comes up through the middle here. You can see we do have electric. These sites on the inside have electric. I think those on the outside do not. But right down through the trees there, you can just see the roof line. That's a restroom. It only has toilets and sinks, unisex bathrooms. They have locks, and then the shower house is down that road. Oh, a couple 100 yards, but it's nice back in here. There's not many people here on this particular road. We do have a rig right next to us. Come out here. The amphitheater is over that way. There's a path that goes up to the amphitheater. There are dumpsters around. There's a playground. You can maybe just see it right up there through the trees. There's a playground with a gymnasium on it. Just a nice quiet road. We did not have a lot of traffic here. 2 really nice, good nights of sleep. Site was very, very big. If you look at that, you could put a big rig in here. We got the CRV and the easy up in the tent, picnic table. It was real nice. We caught a great weather window to go. It was warm during the day, and I think they said, listening to the radio here this morning, I think they said it was 58 degrees. So we're pretty happy with that. We already ate breakfast and had some coffee. We're going to get things packed up, head on home. The weather's supposed to change a little bit, so it is October, so but it was great to sneak out for a couple more days and a couple nights and just relax. Good trip. Thank you, Pine Grove Furnace. We enjoyed it.